All right. So never say these four things in your YouTube videos, or it's going to kill your views and it's going to kill your subscriber growth. And number three that I'm going to be covering here, that one there, we can say it, but we need to do it differently. And I'm going to show an example how that one thing has led us to $100,000 plus in our business here at Live Video School. So that's going to be a fun one. All right, so let's dive in. The very first thing that we need to talk about and is super important is we need to understand what the YouTube algorithm wants. Like, what does it actually want? Well, it wants video retention, watch time, and it wants engagement. Those are the two main things. YouTube's goal is to get us to watch more video. Why? Because that's how they make money. All right. So, our job as creators is to create some really valuable content, but also be a little bit strategic to where we can get people to want to watch more of our stuff. I mean, YouTube doesn't really care if they watch a little bit of our stuff, a little bit of someone else's stuff. They're still on the platform. They want people on the platform. But why shouldn't we want them to stay on our stuff so that way they consume more of our things? And if we're running a business like we are, that also turns into more customers, or at least potential customers. For us, it's leads. All right. So those are really, really important. Now, the four things that I'm going to share with you, these could literally turn off people and just kill your growth. And that's not what we want. Oh, and I want you to do this while I'm going through these. I want you to comment and let me know as I'm going through these. If I mention one and you're like, yep, I've said that before, let me know that in the comments, because I am curious and we've all done it. I've done it. I've learned from it. And hopefully you learn from this video. All right. So here's the very first one that you should stop doing if you're doing it right now, and stop saying it. Here it is. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Time out. Stop. Don't do that anymore. All right? Because the minute you do that, people are gone. Or they're like, oh, I haven't been here before. I would love you to look at your analytics. If you've been posting videos for any period of time, look at your analytics, and you're going to notice that probably 80% of your viewership are new people. That's what they are. And I've looked at it and I've talked to other creators, and that's great. So we have to also understand that that person that's coming and watching our video for the first time, when we say, hey, welcome back, they're like, I've never been here before. It's a disconnect immediately. So we don't want to do that. So that's number one. Stop saying welcome back. All right. Number two, before you even get through your first 30 seconds, this is a big mistake. Hey guys, welcome back. That's the first one, right? Hey, before I get started here, make sure you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. Why am I subscribing to a channel that I just found and you've not delivered any value? I have no idea why I would want to subscribe. Why are you wasting my time telling me to subscribe? Get rid of that. Let me give you a little fun fact here. This channel, Live Video School, it's just over 14, 15 months maybe now, and we've gotten over 36,000 subscribers. And you know the crazy thing? We didn't ask for one subscriber, not one. How did we get them? We just showed up and we delivered value. We delivered on our promise, and people wanted to get more information from us because it was good to them. So they subscribed naturally. So let that naturally happen. We don't have to force it. If you are going to do it, I would say do it later. Do it after you've proven yourself. All right. So that's number two. Stop asking for people to subscribe, especially early in that video. Number three, this is a good one here. This is the one that led to $100,000 for us. All right. This one here. I want you to visit the link down below and buy my thing, or visit the link down below, or visit the link that I put up on the screen and get my free resource. You're automatically sending them somewhere before we've even gotten started. Again, in the first 30 seconds, big mistake. In the first 2 minutes, I think it's still a mistake. A little bit later, I think it's okay. But here's a better way of doing it. And this is what we have done, which again, has led to over $100,000 in revenue for our business. And the way that we do it is just like this. And I'm going to demonstrate it in real time. So this is how it would look. You just heard me talk about building a YouTube channel into a six-figure business. Well, if you're interested in learning how to do that, I've put together a free guide. It's our 100K roadmap. It's a little bit of a playbook. It's what I've been following now for the last 17 years. And now I'm giving it away for free. If you'd like a copy of that, just comment 100K down below. Just comment 100K down below and I'll share it with you. I'll send you that absolutely free, no strings attached. You see what I just did there? Now, we're into this video. I've been delivering value up to this point and I'm still delivering value. And I just basically made a mention of it. I didn't tell you to go to a certain link. I just said, comment down below. Now, why did I do that? Well, a couple different reasons. Number one, I want to engage with you. So I want to get engagement on this channel. So I'm going to ask you to comment to let me know by raising your hand that you want this thing. So I'm going to send it to you. When I send it to you, you're also going to then tell me where you want me to send it. You're going to give me your email address. I'm going to send it to you. Now you and I can communicate with each other. You can ask me questions. I can tell you about a resource that we're going to be putting together. Maybe it's a live stream, whatever. And now we build that relationship. Again, this is something we cover in the 100K roadmap, which I'm going to give you for free. Just comment 100K and I'll send it to you. But that's literally how we are doing this. So do you see how that can turn into way more than, AdSense money? AdSense money, yeah, it's a little bit. We made $11,000 on this channel in the last 12 months. Cool, but it's not $100,000. All right, so that's a big one. Make sure you write that one down. Let's get to number 4, and that is, in the very beginning, I am going to tell you what we're going to be doing, right? We're going to go through these 4 things that you shouldn't say. And then I'm going to say, and if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one secret. Right there, it's like I'm withholding information from you. Now, there is something I did subtly. And if you want to go back to the very beginning of this video, pause it, go back, and you'll see where I did it. Okay. So I talk a lot about your title. I talk a lot about your thumbnail, and I talk a lot about your intro being super important to get the engagement, which shows the algorithm that you like what I have to offer. How did I do that in the very beginning? Well, I said I'm going to cover 4 things. The third one I'm going to share with you has actually led to $100,000 by me changing how I said this. So right there, I didn't say, wait to the end and I'm going to show you this thing. I basically said there's 4 things I'm going to cover. And the third one led to $100,000 by me changing something. So now you're curious. I opened a loop to where you're like, oh, I wonder what that number 3 is. I can't wait to learn that one. I didn't say, wait, and I'm going to hold out this information. A little bit of a shift in the way you say something can go a long way. So that's the 4th. Now, none of this matters. None of this matters if we don't get people to click on our videos and get a view, right? Like none of it. It doesn't matter. You can say all this stuff if no one's listening, but we want people to listen. Well, how do we get them to listen? Well, the number one thing we need to focus on is titles, and we call them outlier titles. And I actually shot a video right here that shares with you 10 of our top outlier titles that have gotten millions of views. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.